In any automotive repair shop, there's really only two things that we sell. We sell parts and we sell labor. Now, the parts that we sell are largely dictated by the labor that needs to be done. Not to mention, parts are available at a parts store for a customer to go purchase and put it on themselves if they want to. So what is it that we have that our customers don't? Well, it's the expertise to complete the labor in an accurate and efficient way. So how is it at your shop that you're determining the labor to sell for each repair? Is it book time? Is it flat rate? Does the tech tell you? Does the advisor get to decide? If you chose one of the latter, well, now we run the risk of creating inconsistency in our quotes within our own shop. We've all seen it to where a customer gets a quote from an advisor and a week later, they call back, get a different advisor, and they get a different quote for the exact same repair. Now, all of a sudden, we've unintentionally jeopardized the trust that we work so hard to build with our customers. Eliminate that risk with Tekmetric's built-in labor guide when building any estimate. You can easily access a labor guide with one click. And now you have VIN-specific labor times that are searchable with keywords. They give you the parent time, any supplemental times that may also be necessary. And you can add all of that back to your estimate with just one more click. From there, Tekmetric can help you maximize the profitability by utilizing specific labor rates. Maybe it's a labor matrix or even a labor markup. If you want to use all three, you can set it up in your shop settings to where it's auto-applied for every estimate so that it eliminates another manual process. You can even use this labor guide to help build and save canned jobs for future use so you don't have to go back in and look them up the next time this job comes around. Create consistency, build trust with your customers, and even shorten the learning curve for newer advisors by utilizing the built-in labor guide from Tekmetric. Give us a call today and let us help you create that transparency with your customers.